Hello there. This is the short version of Pandas sort data frame, and we will do 4 exercises. The first one is sorting rows by index, the second is sorting rows by values, then we will sort the columns by the values, and finally sorting columns by index. Let's do the first exercise, sort rows by index. This is before and this is after. We will do our code here, okay, but to give you a little bit of context, let's go up, and here we are importing pandas and we are importing numpy. We need numpy because we are using a not a number here, okay, and pandas to build our data frame, the same that you saw in the slides. Okay, going down, here we are printing the data frame, and here we are printing it again. In the middle we will change the data frame. Data frame is equals to dataframe dot sort underscore index. We provide the axis that is equals to 0, and because the data frame is sorted from 0 to 5, we will sort in descending. So ascending is equals to false. We save, we open the terminal, and we type py sort dataframe underscore pandas, and we get this. The first one is the original and the second one is our sorted data frame. And the next exercise is sorting rows taking in consideration the values, like this case. Now let's sort the rows by values. The idea is the same, okay? The code goes here, so we type dataframe is equals to dataframe dot sort, instead of index will be values, and we say that we want to sort the column A at the axis equals to 0. Remember, this axis 0 is by default 0, okay? We do not need to provide the axis, okay? In this case we run this again and we get the column A sorted, okay, like this. Now let's try to sort A and B. Let me comment this, and we say dataframe is equals to dataframe dot sort by values, and we provide a list with A and B. Also, let's say that ascending order will be another list where we say that for A it's false, so it will be descending, and for B is true, so it will be ascending. Let's run this again, and we got this. The column A is in descending order, but column B is in ascending order. We can notice that by this value, the 70. In B we have 6788, so is ascending, okay, but the column A still in descending order, okay. Let's go to the third exercise, sorting columns by values. And we say the same thing. Dataframe is equals to dataframe dot sort values, and we say that we want to sort by the, for example, the row 1 and at axis equals 1, because if we do not provide, the axis will be 0, okay? So we save these and we go here and we run this again, and now we got an error because this key, the 1, we must provide a number, okay? If we run this again, now it's sorted, okay? The columns here are sorted. And the final one is sorting the columns by index, taking in consideration the AB, okay? So dataframe is equals to dataframe dot sort underscore index. We want to sort the index at axis equals 1, because is the A and the B, and because the A and the B is already sorted, we must say that the ascending is false. We want in descending order, okay? We save these and we run, and what we got here was this. We have AB, the original, and BA, the sorted one, okay? And this is the end. You can download the source code. The link is in the description, okay? And give it a like, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and as always, thank you for watching.